everyone, welcome back to Enclower. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about SUVs coming out of China, the 2026 BYD Yangwang U8. This is a vehicle that's shaking up what we expect from a luxury off-roader, combining extreme capability, high technology, and pure electric power in a way that feels both futuristic and surprisingly practical. Let's take a closer look at how it performs, what makes it special, and what you'll find inside this incredible machine. First things first, the Yangwang U8 isn't just another electric SUV. It's a statement from BYD, showing the world how far Chinese automakers have come in innovation and execution. The U8 rides on BYD's E-Platform 3.0, and it features something called the Easy-4 power system, 4 independent electric motors, one for each wheel. That setup gives the SUV a combined output of around 1,200 horsepower, which is simply staggering. For context, that's more power than most supercars, yet it's packed inside a massive luxury off-roader that can also tackle rivers and mountains. When it comes to performance, the numbers speak for themselves. The U8 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.5 seconds, which is absurd for a vehicle of its size and weight. But this isn't just about straight-line speed. Each of those motors can control wheel speed individually, which means the U8 can do things no traditional SUV can. It can perform a tank turn, rotating on its own axis by spinning the wheels on each side in opposite directions. It can also crawl out of slippery mud or snow effortlessly by adjusting torque instantly to the wheels with the most grip. One of the most impressive aspects of this SUV is its adaptability. It's designed to handle extreme conditions, water, sand, rocks, and everything in between. BYD claims the Yangwang U8 can even float for a short period if it accidentally drives into deep water, using its sealed body and motor controls to stay buoyant long enough to get back to solid ground. That's a level of safety and engineering we don't often see in electric vehicles, and it really highlights how serious BYD is about redefining what's possible with EVs. Driving the U8 feels like operating a piece of advanced technology more than just a car. The steering is precise, the air suspension adjusts automatically to terrain, and the vehicle can raise or lower its ride height depending on conditions. On the highway, it feels quiet and composed, while off-road, it transforms into a powerful, sure-footed beast. Thanks to the torque vectoring and instant power delivery, it feels almost effortless no matter the situation. Range is another big talking point. The U8 uses BYD's signature blade battery, which has become famous for its safety and energy density. Combined with a range extender system, a small turbocharged engine that acts as a generator, the SUV offers over 600 miles of total range in hybrid mode, depending on driving style and conditions. That kind of flexibility eliminates range anxiety while keeping most of your driving fully electric. Now, let's talk about the interior. Stepping inside the Yangwang U8 feels like entering a private jet. The cabin is filled with premium materials, leather, aluminum, and ambient lighting that shifts depending on your mood or drive mode. The massive central touchscreen dominates the dashboard, complemented by a fully digital instrument cluster and an additional passenger display. Everything feels futuristic but intuitive, from the floating center console to the crystal-style gear selector. Rear passengers get just as much attention, with luxurious seating, independent climate controls, and even entertainment screens depending on the trim level. The attention to detail is outstanding. Stitching, texture, and sound insulation are all top tier. The overall impression is that BYD wants to compete directly with brands like Range Rover, Mercedes, and even Lexus, and the execution makes that goal believable. Technology is everywhere inside the U8. It comes loaded with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise, automatic lane change, and 360-degree cameras that make parking a giant SUV surprisingly easy. The sound system, developed with Dynaudio, delivers rich, immersive audio, while the smart voice assistant can control nearly every function in the car with natural language commands. So, what's the overall takeaway? The 2026 BYD Yangwang U8 is not just a luxury SUV, it's a technological powerhouse that blends performance, safety, and innovation better than almost anything else on the market right now. It's fast, capable, and beautifully built. Whether you're driving through a city skyline or across rugged terrain, the U8 proves that electric vehicles can be thrilling, reliable, and adventurous all at once. Thanks for tuning into Enclower. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Yangwang U8, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews of the latest electric innovations and future-ready vehicles. See you in the next one.